Thought for the day, Thursday, September the 12th. Respect nature. Some time ago, the ecology problem did not exist. Nobody spoke about it, perhaps because nature still managed to absorb smoke and other gases. At present, it has become a serious problem. It was understood that nature, which had been created by God, was being ruined. Mankind's health is peace. Health of the cosmos is ecology. Nature has to be rescued. For mankind to exist, it is necessary for the planet to exist. Consequently, it is essential to life. Ecology is the basis for peace. Peace and fraternity can be reached on an existing planet. Chiara Lubich, Like a Rainbow, Ciudad Nueva, pages 344 and 346. The Word of Life for September 2024. Do not merely listen to the Word and so deceive yourselves. Do what it says.
We are members of the Focolare movement from several Latin American countries and from Italy. Did you like this video? Then give us a like and subscribe to channel Playing Campaign.